Hey everyone, Raider here. Hope you're all doing great and having a fantastic day. So in today's video, we're going to learn how to do this. All right. Pick a color over here. We're going to learn how to use our Galaxy phone to control all the toolbar aspects of Galaxy Notes on our Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra here, or whatever Galaxy tablet you might have. This is called Collaboration View. There's also another view called Companion View that lets you do this with ClipArt Studio. But in today's video, we're going to learn how to do the Collaboration View. All right, so let's walk through getting this all set up. So what you'll need to do is have both devices powered on, and you're going to want to take the S Pen out of your Tab S8 or whatever tablet you're using. All right, and this is compatible with many of the Galaxy tablets as well as many of the Galaxy devices, not just the S23 Ultra, not just the Tab S8 Ultra. Take out your S Pen for it. You're going to leave your S Pen in your S23. You won't need that at all, or whatever Galaxy phone you're using. What you want to do is we're going to swipe down here. Make sure Bluetooth is on both devices and go into your connections. Go to Bluetooth and make sure that you are paired with your Galaxy phone. And if you're not, just click on it one time. It'll give the option to pair, and you'll click the button on both devices and you're done. You don't have to stay connected, just paired between both devices. All right, so here's the next thing that you have to do, and this one is really weird. So this feature will not work if you're in dark mode. So what you have to do is you have to go down to settings again, and we're going to scroll down till we get to display, and we're going to switch over to light mode. Again, you can try it. Trust me, it's just not going to work. It will not work in dark mode. So turn your tablet into light mode, and your Galaxy phone can stay exactly as it is. So now let's go to the next step. The next thing we need to do to get this working is to go into S Notes, right? So we're going to go to View All Notes. I should say Samsung Notes, rather. So what we want to do is open up the settings. So what we'll do is we'll click on the hamburger menu here over to the left, and then we're going to click on the settings wheel, right here. Scroll all the way down, and then we have an option here that says Use Phone as Toolbar. Let's go ahead and select that real quick. All right, cool. We'll go ahead and back up. And what I want to do now is go ahead and create a new note. And you'll see here up on the toolbar, we have a new menu option all the way to the left. Use Phone as Toolbar. We're going to go ahead and tap on that with our pen. And there we go. It turns our screen into a whole canvas that we can use. We now come over here to our S23 Ultra, and I'll pick a color. Hello. Pick another color. How are you? You can go through here and pick all your different pen types. You have basically all the same menu options that you would normally have in your toolbar that's on your Tab S8 Ultra are now carried over to your S23 or other Galaxy phone. So this one is Collaboration View to get the most out of Samsung Notes. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them down below. And as always, thanks for watching.